Get ready. Start. Under the existing arrangements, the payment of grant in aid to private parties is made in accordance with the procedure laid down in Rule 4 of the Punjab STR Volume 1 full stop. It has been felt that the completion of various requirements enjoined in this rule, for example, issuing of an authority by the Accountant General Punjab, getting the bills countersigned, etc., is time consuming and often results in delay in payments to the grantees concerned. Full stop. In order to overcome such difficulties, a simplified procedure has been evolved in consultation with Accountant General Punjab, and it has been decided that the same may, in relaxation of the provisions of Rule 4 IVID, be followed in respect of payments of grant in aid made to private parties, including companies, corporate bodies, universities, and other similar autonomous bodies by the departments of education, health, agriculture, industries, cooperations, housing, urban development, technical education, and social welfare. Full stop. The salient features of the simplified procedure are given in the annexure appended below. Full stop. This order will take effect from the issue of this circular and will apply to all sanctions for grants in aid, payment to private parties, etc., issued on or after that date. Full stop. Next para. It would be observed that according to the simplified procedure, the sanctioning authority will be reasonable for the withdrawal of funds and for making payment to the grantees concerned, instead of the existing arrangements under which the bills are countersigned by the sanctioning authority after the sanctions have been issued and the grantee himself presents the bills at the treasury and obtains the payments. Full stop. The adjustment of all payments in respect of the sanctions for payment of grant in aid issued on or after the 18th December by the departments named in sub-paragraph 1 above will be made by the Accountant General. Full stop. In the light of the Punjab government letter, it is also clarified that in cases where the grants in aid are sanctioned by the subordinate authorities under the powers delegated to them, payment of grants in aid would continue to be made as previously under the old procedure. Full stop. In other words, the cases where the grants in aid are sanctioned by subordinate authorities under the powers delegated to them, the treasury officers are competent to make disbursement on the authority of such sanctions in accordance with the existing procedure. Full stop. Stop.